There are a lot of data analysis mistakes that we regularly encounter in data management. Let's digest the top 6 common mistakes. The first one is sampling bias. Sampling bias occurs when a non-representative sample is used in the data set. For example, a survey of high school students to measure teenage use of illegal drugs will be a biased sample because it does not include homeschooled students or dropouts. A sample is also biased if certain members are underrepresented or overrepresented relative to others in the sample population. So, sampling bias should be avoided because it can weigh the analysis too far in one particular direction. The second data analysis mistake is data cherry-picking. Data cherry-picking is the process of selecting evidence that supports a certain position, while completely ignoring relevant evidence to the contrary. For example, cherry-picking data by the media is most evident when disproportional coverage is given to one side of a story while ignoring facts that could support alternative viewpoints. There are 2 types of cherry-picking data: intentional and unintentional. Intentional cherry-picking data is purposely omitting available evidence, and unintentional is just wrongly processing information. Cherry-picking data is unethical. Additionally, it may cause serious consequences in fields like public health, engineering, and policy decision. The third common data analysis mistakes are data underfitting and overfitting. Data underfitting occurs when a model cannot capture the underlying trend of the data, that is, it only performs well on training data but performs poorly on testing data. It is like unfitting pants. There's several reasons for this. The common ones are high bias and low variance. The size of the training data set used is not enough. The model is too simple. Overfitting occurs when the model does not make accurate predictions on testing data. The reasons for overfitting: high variance and low bias. The model is too complex. The size of the data. The fourth data analysis mistakes are focusing only on the numbers rather than the insights. Focusing only on the numbers may cause adverse and unexpected real-world consequences. For example, a marketing company might produce a model that induces geographic bias by using data derived from biased sources. Here is the trap: the number we are focusing may look clean and neat, but the underlying biases can produce misleading insight and adverse decisions. The fifth common data analysis mistakes are solution bias. Solution bias, commonly called falling in love with the solution. The solution might be so cool, interesting, or elegant that it's hard not to fall in love with. Unfortunately, the solution might be wrong. Jumping straight into solution mode before really understanding the problem will distort insight and decision. Here is a golden saying: a problem well defined is a problem half solved. The sixth common data analysis mistakes are poor communication or poor data presentation. Poor communication with data team and decision makers may cause solving the wrong questions, lacking support for big ideas, and finally will bring wrong result. Communicating effectively data analysis findings and insights to different types of audiences from business to technical is beneficial. So data analysts should produce simple, insightful visualization to communicate their findings for business decision. These are some of the common data analysis mistakes. Subscribe for more data and analytics tips and career highlight.